Hello everybody! Today we'll be reading Little Blue Truck, written by Alice Schertle and illustrated by Joe McElmurray. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye when Little Blue Truck went rolling by. Oopsie. Sheep said baa, cow said moo, oink said a piggy, beep said Blue. Cluck said a chicken and her chick said peep, ma said a goat, Blue said beep. Neigh said a horse, quack said a duck, beep said the friendly Little Blue Truck. Honk yelled the dump truck, coming through, I've big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Vroom went the dump around a curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck and his big important wheels got stuck. Oh no, his heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. Honk, cried the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard or nobody cared. Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came the Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Help, 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 cried the Little Blue Truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the Little Blue Truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? All together, 1, 2, 3. Ah, one last push and the truck was free. The trucks were free. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, ba, moo, cluck, beep, neigh, croak, ma. Beep, beep, beep. Everybody's inside. Now let's look at the illustrations to see what's going on in the book. There's Blue, and there's a stop sign, and you have to stop every time at the stop sign. Blue Truck. And here's Blue coming, and look at all the toads. So many toads. They winked an eye at Blue. They're friends. And there's Blue on the farm, and there's a barn, and a cow, and a sheep over here, and there's a piggy, and a rain cloud. Blue is going over the hill, up and down, all around. And everybody's looking at Blue because they really like him. They're friends. And it's starting to rain. They're calling out to Blue, saying, hello, neigh, quack, beep, said Blue. And there's the big dump truck. And he got stuck in the mud. Let's see him get stuck. Oh no! There is a big puddle with mud. And everybody's eating, and he got stuck. And what are they going to do? When somebody needs help, we have to help them. He doesn't know what to do, Dump. He's really, really stuck. And then came Blue. He's so little, but still he's trying to help the big dump truck. Good job. But he can't, he's too little. He needs more help. So he called on his friends, right? That's what we do. We help each other. And they're all going to push Blue. who's pushing the dump. And then they pushed hard, 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 and they freed the trucks. We're all free. Yay! Oh, they're so dirty. But everybody's happy. Look at that. Yay! Everybody's yelling yay. And now Blue wants to repay everybody for helping them and wants to have fun with his friends. And so he takes them for a ride in the little blue truck. There they are. Bye, everybody.